beginner tips, consistency, understanding the platform. Go type in top 100 Etsy stores and understand like what sets the one, like what do they look like and what do they do specifically with their title tags, descriptions, what do they do with their imagery, how do they brand their stores, how do they price their products, do they do free shipping, do they do paid shipping, do their prices ending at .99, .95, .97, what, like how do they do everything? If you understand that, that's going to help you so much. Spend more time on the platform, see, like analyze stores, put stores in your spreadsheet. If you have stores in your spreadsheet and you're watching them, always watching them, seeing what they're doing, then it's super, super valuable. And like, that's the best thing to do. If you really understand Etsy, it's the most valuable thing ever. Quick interruption to this video. I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.